Harry, I'm under it, Mark. Yep. Let me go to the other side. Because I've got a lot right there.
Right here. See if I can hold it.
Yeah, I'm under it. I'm hitting. There we go. Now I'm under it.
What?
Huh?
Get some of the junk out of there.
It's not going to come out one piece like
Did you get one of these? It won't. No, that's good. That's good.
Just give these shovels right here. One's right here. Yeah, right here.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm directly under it, Mark.
That's good. There are going to be some chickens.
Take it outside.
Take the ball.
Move, Danny. We're going to take it outside.
Okay. Now, go to Walmart. Chinese blacksmithing store. It is the perfect one. What do I do with that? Was that Christmas? If we never got into Christmas, we're going to take it. Never got it.
Come out. I was under it, so I know it's moving.
Virginia? It's all regular. Joe or something.
There you go. There you go. Hey, you might be able to pull that ramp out. It might make get those legs out of the way.
Maybe push it on the other side.
Yeah, see if we can go ahead and knock the ground out. It's stuck in the ground somewhere.
Right there. Zip, on your right. That rod. See if you can push it out, Daniel.
What? Other way. Flip it around. It's flat.
It's like a bed. Hang on.
Hold on.
We're going to go a lot lower than that. A lot lower. Push it. Try under it with that big thing. Get under it.
Oh, yeah.
No, they break it open. They do, yeah.
There you go. Now you get under it. Woo! Hot.
There you go.
Right there.
Over here. Tongs are on this side now, Mark.
It totally looks like a medium.
Yes.
On your right, past the water bucket, Mark.
Dennis, if you want to ready with the hammer, you're fine.
Okay.
I'm going to put it on the way.
All right, look out. It's hot as hell. Have the tongs ready. So
I got right there.
Push it.
Oh, yeah.
With my.
You want your shield or what?
Push it.
Push it goes. Very gentle. Push.
Yes, sir. It's all steel.
Carry.
That is the theory.
Up on it. On the edge.
Yes.
Don't worry, the weekend's not over.
Remember, that was not good in 10 years. So really, they could say they're good for 100, unless you cut yourself on something rusty.
They're good forever unless you get tetanus.
Yeah, I do. That's a lot different than last year.
Yeah.
You gotta pick the guy last year's stuff. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that was the money shot right there.
Did it just...
Jelly, come on!
Put it back down when the other way.
I'll have to watch Chris's version of it later.
I know the Mazel running. Go.
Yeah.
The nuggets I get are pretty good for what I do.
I'm okay with my pucks.
This is cool though.
Besides, the best thing about the puck is I don't have to go through this shit. You've got your own shit to go through.
There's a whole other piece of shit to go
It's a
through.
whole different match. It's neither better nor worse shit.
It's just different shit.
Thanks. Yeah, I know. Now I have another half a puck that I'm going to put on my shelf and go, yep, someday I'm going to do something like that.
No, does not like process. You can't move it too far too fast.
No, that's the issue. Is you have to.
There's a baby in.
Got a lot of slag pooling on the...
It's oozing.
Like this?
No, the other one is belly.
On the belly, Zev.
The underside, isn't it?
On the belly.
Notice how he's the one with the cons. They clearly don't trust him. Right.
Watch your boots, Dennis.
Oh God, yeah.
During
So what comes out of this process? You break it up.
Photo op.
Selfie with the bloom.
Essentially.
Get them real close, everybody.
Oh, that's what they're going to do. They're going to.
Well, iron's okay. Cast iron is not.
First again? Gentle is good stuff. Looks like
Brisket.
That's what the F&B stands for, right? Fire and Brisket?
Actually renamed it 2016. Brisket and brisket, yeah. Brisket and more brisket. D&D. First part. I like how some of my desserts come out.
That's also burning grass.
Yeah. That's also some of my cakes come out. Go.
Oh.
Mark. So wait.
Seems like a lot of work.
So we made that whole thing so we can break it up to sizes.
Right.
Okay.
Breaking it. Hit it easier. Hit it easier. The camera's too heavy.
Okay.
Completely.
I'm just giving
Go ahead
them.
and break cut.
No. It looks awesome.
It does. Be great in
That's good. I know.
Woo! It's just a different kind of pain. It all hurts.
It all hurts.
In its own
Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff.
way.